Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your Amazon account on hold? Don't panic. Here's how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Amazon usually puts account uh, Amazon usually puts accounts on hold due to payment issues, suspicious activity, or verification problems. Check your email, they will explain the reason and what documents they need. Log into your Amazon account, go to the message center or your emails and look for any requests from Amazon. Click on the link they provided to start resolving the issue. Upload the documents they asked for, usually a government issued ID, billing a statement, or payment method verification. Make sure everything is clear and matches your content information. After submission, wait for Amazon to review your documents. This can take from a few hours to a couple of days. If it takes too long, connect Amazon support via live chat or phone. Stay polite and have your documents ready. That's it. Once verified, your account will be restored. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.